Ready for liftoff. This is a space shuttle. It looks like an airplane, but it travels in space. Astronauts have explored space in space shuttles since 1981. Astronauts must learn how to work in space. They study subjects such as astronomy and math. They learn how to move and live in space too. Many people help astronauts get ready to fly. A launch team gets the space shuttle ready to fly. They check the orbiter to be sure its parts work correctly. The orbiter carries astronauts and equipment. The launch team fixes any parts of the orbiter that need repair. The launch team tests and checks the external tank. This tank holds fuel. The launch team tests and checks the solid rocket boosters. These boosters hold fuel too. A team puts together the solid rocket boosters, the external tank, and the orbiter to form the space shuttle. The team puts very cold fuel into the external tank. The fuel is so cold that ice forms on the tank. A few hours before launch, another team makes sure that there isn't too much ice on the tank. At liftoff, the solid rocket boosters begin to work. Their force helps push the shuttle off the ground. After about 2 minutes, the boosters float back to Earth. At liftoff, the orbiter engines work. They also push the shuttle off the ground. They get the shuttle into space. The engines use fuel from the external tank. The tank is empty after about 8 minutes, and then it falls away too. Now the orbiter can orbit Earth. In the future, many people may travel by space shuttle. Maybe you will be one of them. Let's look at the Write About It box. You have just read about the space shuttle. Would you like to fly in one? Write a few sentences telling why or why not. Use 2 words from the word builder in your paragraph. And the word builder is above. And look at the right side for a moment. Astronomy is a Greek compound word. Astro means star, and nomi is arrangement or law. You have probably already learned the word astronaut. Naut means sailor. So an astronaut is a person who sails among the stars. Astro is used in many other words too, like astronomer, astronomical, disaster. And here's some bonus facts. There were a total of 6 different space shuttles. The Enterprise was the first one. It never went into space. It was only used to test takeoff and landing. The Challenger, the Columbia, the Atlantis, and the Discovery were the original four. Two of them were destroyed, and one of them, the last one, the Endeavour, was built as a replacement. The space shuttles are not used anymore. The end.